Hello and welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download and install Bigo Live on your Android device in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the bottom, type Bigo Live, and look for the official app by Bigo Technology Pte. Once you find it, tap on the app and press install. The download will start immediately, where download speed depends upon device performance and internet speed. Once downloaded, the app will be installed automatically within a few seconds. Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open. After that, you'll be taken to the home screen, where you can browse live streams or sign up using your phone number, Gmail address, or social media accounts. And that's it, you're all set. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more quick and easy tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.